Hi, I'm Paul Schutz. I'm in Guelph, Ontario, and I have a cabinet shop where I make neat stuff. I made everything out of wood. And basically, I have fun making all kinds of wooden things, and I sell them online as well as out of my gallery, as well as in shows, and I sell all over the world. Yeah, these are some of the things that we make at Masterpiece. This is a cribbage board. It really works nice with the lasering and the engraving as well. It's a really nice marriage between the CNC and the laser, and it really enhances my work. I make like snakes and ladders. It's kind of a fun game when I used to play when I was a kid. So I lasered the whole thing out, and you can see there's a lot of laser work in there. The program was a bit of time, but once the programs were made, it's repetitive. Also, scale doesn't matter because this one's about 16 by 16, and the one behind me, it's basically 10 feet by 10 feet. It doesn't matter, the laser did the job too. My bed is not that bad, we had to do it in sections, but it worked out pretty good. Yeah, we also make personalized products for people, customers. Say somebody wants a wedding block or something like that. The great thing about the laser is once you have the program, you just put in the words and it will actually just print out a really nice personal box that can be manufactured in no time at all. This is another unique project that I made. I don't make them in production because there's a lot of work in assembly, but it was all done with the laser, the Trotec laser, and it was all cut. So every gear was cut out. All the faces, the hands, even the weight, I actually lasered onto the gold there so that, yeah, it does a nice job. So we kind of use it everywhere. And it's a fun little project to have too. This is another unique little project. This is a wonky box. I make it as like a jewelry box, but I've been lasering in the fronts and everything like that, and for the layout of the body, I also laser it as well. And that's kind of a neat little project. And I make a lot of these, so it's another thing that enhances my work. I was doing some lettering and stuff with the CNC machine, and it was working out okay. And then I thought, well, I think I might get a laser because I know the potential of what a laser can do. And then I started not using the CNC anymore for doing lettering and words and stuff. It was so much easier with the laser machine, and it just really improved my product, enhanced my work that I was already doing. I like the laser, the Trotec, because first of all, job control. It's very easy to use. It's a fast learning curve. I have a couple lasers. I've got a 300 and a 400, and I can do bigger pieces. I do a lot of cutting on the 400. The 300, I leave that kind of open, but I use that all the time for smaller jobs, more engraving than cutting, but it still does a good job at cutting as well. I've got a Z-axis that works really good for me as well because we do different level things. Like I would do a chair seat that has been concave. So at one level I could laser it all, and then the laser will actually move its Z-axis in the middle of the program, and then it would finish the job. And then same thing with boxes or different level games and stuff where I need lasering on one level and then the other level, so it moves it up and down. It works really good for me.
Hi, my name is Susie. I'm the Trotec operator here at Masterpiece. We design board games and furniture. I find that the Trotec lasers are really good for cutting through material. We cut through hard maple and birch plywood. We can cut through 1/4-inch material and 1/8-inch material with the Trotec 300, and we can cut up to 3/8 material with the Trotec 400. Right now we're laser engraving the drawer fronts of our wonky dressers. I found that the job control software was pretty intuitive. It was pretty easy to learn.
Thanks for coming by. You guys, anybody's welcome to come out to my shop. I'm in Guelph, Ontario, and hey, come and see me. I'll show you some neat stuff. Thank you.